Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a hereditary deformed mole, also called molar pregnancy. The patient is married, having two children, aged about 20 years. Hereditary deformed mole is a common complication of pregnancy. It consists of a non-viable embryo which implants and proliferates within the uterus. Mostly painless vaginal bleeding during the second trimester of pregnancy is seen. They are diagnosed by ultrasound imaging. Extreme high level of human chorionic gonadotropin HCG are suggestive but not diagnostic of molar pregnancy. You can see the uterus. And you will see the hereditary deformed mole or molar pregnancy in the middle and distal portion of the uterine cavity. A hereditary deformed mole is a pregnancy in which the placenta contains grape-like vesicles, as you can see in this case. These are the small sacs which are visible to the naked eye. The vesicles arise by distension of the chorionic villi by fluid. When examined under the microscope, hyperplasia of the tropoplastic tissue is noted. Now you can see this is the hereditary deformed mole, also called molar pregnancy or H-mole. Hereditary deformed mole is a tumor that forms in the uterus as a mass of cysts resembling a bunch of grapes. Hereditary deformed moles appear during the childbearing years and they do not spread outside the uterus. A malignancy called choriocarcinoma may start from a hereditary deformed mole. A pelvic ultrasound scan will show the presence of tissue inside the uterus with the characteristic snowstorm appearance of a molar pregnancy. The scan may be performed via the abdominal scan or the vagina. Ultrasound scanning shows a honeycomb pattern produced by the numerous vesicles. As they enlarge, the image is described to look like a snowstorm, which is due to the swollen cysts with bleeding into the uterus. The ovaries are often seen to contain large cysts. Now you can see the measurement is 6.2 centimeter into 6.3 centimeter of this hereditary deformed mole. Mostly a hereditary deformed mole is an abnormal fertilized egg that develops into a hereditary deformed mole rather than a fetus, a condition called molar pregnancy. Hereditary deformed moles are most common among the women under 17 years or over 35 years. In the United States, they occur 1 in 2,000 pregnancies. Now, the risk of molar pregnancy is highest in women over the age of 35 and younger than 20. The risk is even higher for women over age 45, but age is less likely to be a factor for partial moles. For choriocarcinoma, risk is lower before the age of 25 and then increases with age until menopause. Hereditary farm mole should be taken as pre-malignant lesions because 15 to 20% of complete hereditary farm mole, that is CHMS, and 1% of partial hereditary farm moles, PHMS, undergo malignant transformation into invasive moles. Choriocarcinoma are in rare cases placental site trophoblastic tumors. On ultrasound, complete molar pregnancy can be detected as early as 8 or 9 weeks of pregnancy, but it may show no embryo or fetus. Now, as far as the diagnosis of the H mole is concerned, mostly doctors can diagnose a hereditary farm mole shortly after it forms. Hereditary farm mole can be suspected on the basis of symptoms such as uterus that is much larger than expected and a vaginal discharge of grape-like tissue. A pregnancy test is done. Complete molar pregnancies have only placental tissues, that there is no baby, and form when sperm fertilized an empty egg. Because if the egg is empty, no baby is formed, the placenta grows and produces the pregnancy hormones HCG. Unfortunately, an ultrasound will show that there is no fetus, only a placenta. A molar pregnancy can have serious complications, including a rare form of cancer, and requires early treatment. The measurement of high HCG levels more than 1 lakh mLu per ml suggests the diagnosis of complete molar pregnancy, especially when associated with vaginal bleeding, uterine enlargement, and abnormal ultrasound findings. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.